and welcome to another episode of Fey Fitness. Today I wanted to show you all how to do a easier version of a V sit-up with the TRX straps. So don't worry, here in a second I will cut some video of me performing this at my local studio, but I just kind of wanted to go over some basics before we dive into the video. So this is more of a beginner-friendly version of a V-sit or V-sit-up for those of you who maybe don't have the abdominal and core strength as of yet. So what you will do is sit on the ground with your knees and hips kind of like under the handles of the TRX strap, facing towards the anchor point of the TRX strap, whether that be on a wall or on some sort of gym apparatus, whatever it might be. You'll actually put the palm of your hands into the foot cradles and not grasp the rubber handles, because we want our hands to be more like a guide as opposed to something that we're using to pull ourselves up. So that guide will just help us feel a little bit more balanced and give us a little bit more stability so our abs can easily lift us back up into that V-sit. The other thing you can do is start with your legs in a tabletop position and then extend them out long to that nice V-sit angle. Don't worry, this will all make a lot more sense when we cut to that video, but I just wanted to give you some little tidbits to think about before we go ahead and just dive right in. So, without further ado, let's get to that video. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. As always, if you have any questions, please leave those in the comments down below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you next week for another Fey Fitness video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. If you're new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all of my content. Otherwise, I will see all of you next week for another Fey Fitness video. So until then, bye guys!